Hey guys, welcome to Tech Unboxing. In today's video, I'll show you unboxing of WD Elemens 2TB external hard drive. Let's get started. I have bought it from Flipkart. It comes in a cardboard box with some bubble wrapped all over. Overall, the packaging is good. In the box, you will get hard drive itself. The build quality of hard drive is good, but it's a bit heavy in terms of weight. Further in the box, you will get some documentation. Last but not the least, you will get a USB 3 cable. The quality of cable is good. I'll give my review after using it for few days. That's it for today's video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.